Dumplings are very popular in China. These delightful little pockets of flavor have been a staple in Chinese cuisine for centuries. They are enjoyed by people of all ages and are a common sight at family gatherings and festive celebrations. The tradition of making and eating dumplings is deeply rooted in Chinese culture and history. They are small pockets of dough filled with tasty things. The fillings can vary widely, from savory meats and vegetables to sweet fruits and pastes. Each region in China has its own unique take on dumplings, with different ingredients and cooking methods. People eat them during celebrations. Dumplings are especially popular during the Chinese New Year, where they symbolize wealth and prosperity. Families come together to make dumplings, sharing stories and laughter as they prepare the meal. They have a long history. The origins of dumplings can be traced back over 1,800 years to the Eastern Han Dynasty. They were originally created by a Chinese medicine practitioner named Zhang Zhongjing, who used them to treat frostbitten ears. Dumplings are a symbol of good luck. Their shape, resembling ancient Chinese money, is believed to bring wealth and good fortune to those who eat them. This is why they are often served during important celebrations and festivals. They look like ancient Chinese money. This resemblance is not just coincidental, it is a deliberate design meant to invoke prosperity and abundance. The act of making and eating dumplings is a way to invite good luck into one's life. People eat dumplings for good fortune. It is a cherished tradition that has been passed down through generations. Each bite is a reminder of the rich cultural heritage and the hopes for a prosperous future. They are a special food in Chinese culture. Making dumplings is fun. It is an activity that brings families together, fostering a sense of unity and togetherness. Children learn the art of dumpling making from a young age, ensuring that the tradition continues. Families often make them together. The process of making dumplings is as enjoyable as eating them. It is a time for bonding, sharing stories, and creating memories. Each family has its own recipes and techniques, adding to the diversity of this beloved dish. It is a way to celebrate their culture. Dumplings are more than just food, they are a symbol of Chinese heritage and identity. They represent the values of family, tradition, and prosperity. Many people learn to make dumplings as children. Dumplings are delicious. The skills and recipes are passed down from generation to generation, ensuring that the tradition remains alive and well. They are a versatile food. Dumplings can be steamed, boiled, or fried and can be filled with a wide variety of ingredients. This versatility makes them a favorite among many. There are many different ways to make them. Each method and shape brings out different flavors and textures, making the experience of eating dumplings always exciting and new. This makes them exciting to eat and to share. Whether enjoyed at a family gathering, a festive celebration, or a casual meal with friends, dumplings bring people together and create lasting memories. The filling is what makes dumplings special. There are many different kinds of fillings. You can use meat like pork or beef. You can also use seafood like shrimp or crab. Vegetables are important in dumpling fillings. Cabbage, carrots, and mushrooms are popular choices. They add flavor and texture to the dumplings. Spices make the fillings even tastier. Ginger, garlic, and soy sauce are common additions. You can also add chili oil for a spicy kick. The fillings are mixed together. Each ingredient adds its own flavor. This creates a delicious combination inside the dumpling. The dough is the outside of the dumpling. It is made from flour and water. Sometimes people add eggs to the dough. This makes it richer. The dough needs to be kneaded. This means pressing and folding it. Kneading makes the dough stretchy. It should be smooth and elastic. After kneading, the dough rests. This lets it relax. Resting helps the dough become easier to work with. Once rested, the dough is ready to be shaped. It will be rolled out and cut into small circles. These circles will become the dumpling wrappers. Section 4. Shaping the dumplings. Fun for everyone. Shaping dumplings is fun. It's an activity that brings people together, whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen. The process is simple, yet incredibly rewarding. It is like making little pockets. Each dumpling is a tiny bundle of joy, waiting to be filled with delicious ingredients. First, you put a spoonful of filling in the center of the wrapper. The filling can be anything you like, meat, vegetables, or even something sweet. Then you fold the wrapper over the filling. This is where the magic begins as you start to see the dumpling take shape. You can pinch the edges together to seal it. Make sure it's sealed well so the filling doesn't escape during cooking. There are many ways to fold a dumpling. Each method gives the dumpling a unique look and texture. One way is to make a half-moon shape. This is a classic and simple method that is perfect for beginners. Another way is to make a pleated edge. This technique adds a decorative touch and is often used in more traditional recipes. You can also fold the dumpling into a little purse shape. This method is both fun and functional as it helps to keep the filling secure. Shaping dumplings takes practice. Don't worry if your first ones don't look perfect. The important thing is to enjoy the process and learn as you go. With practice, you'll become a dumpling shaping expert. Soon, you'll be able to create beautiful and delicious dumplings that will impress your friends and family. So, roll up your sleeves and start shaping those dumplings. Section 5, Cooking your dumplings, boiling, steaming, and pan frying. In this section, we will explore 3 popular methods of cooking dumplings: boiling, steaming, and pan frying. Each method brings out unique textures and flavors in the dumplings, making them a versatile dish for any occasion. Dumplings can be cooked in different ways. The method you choose can depend on your personal preference or the type of dumpling you are making. Let's start with boiling. Boiling is a common method. It is quick and easy, and it ensures that the dumplings are cooked evenly. You put the dumplings in boiling water. Make sure the water is at a rolling boil before adding the dumplings. They are cooked when they float to the top. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes depending on the size of the dumplings. Steaming is another popular method. It is a gentler way to cook dumplings, preserving their shape and texture. You steam the dumplings in a steamer basket. Make sure to line the basket with parchment paper or cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. The steam cooks the dumplings gently. This method usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size and filling of the dumplings. Pan frying gives the dumplings a crispy bottom. This method is also known as pot sticker style. You fry them in a pan with a little oil. Start by frying the dumplings until the bottoms are golden brown. This adds a nice texture to the dumplings. Then, add a small amount of water to the pan and cover it to steam the dumplings until they are cooked through. No matter how you cook them, make sure the dumplings are cooked through. This ensures that the filling is safe to eat and the dough is not raw. The filling should be hot and the dough should be cooked all the way. Enjoy your delicious dumplings, prepared just the way you like them. Section 6, Dumpling Diversity, a culinary journey through China. China is a big country. Different regions have their own dumpling variations. Each region has its own special ingredients and flavors. In northern China, dumplings are often filled with meat and cabbage. They are larger in size and have a juicy filling. In southern China, dumplings are smaller and more delicate. They are often filled with seafood, pork, and vegetables. Some dumplings are steamed and served in bamboo baskets. Others are pan-fried and served with a dipping sauce. Each region has its own unique dumpling tradition. Section 7, Serving and enjoying your dumplings, a feast for the senses. Dumplings are best enjoyed fresh. They are a delicious and satisfying meal. You can serve them with a variety of dipping sauces. Soy sauce, vinegar, and chili oil are popular choices. You can also add chopped garlic, ginger, or green onions to your dipping sauce. Dumplings are often served family style. This means everyone shares from a big plate. It is a fun and social way to eat. Take a dumpling and dip it in your sauce. Enjoy the delicious flavors and textures. Share your dumplings with friends and family.